So there's two little contacts right here, and they're not connected, and this arm right here pushes the one contact back. So that's off. And then to turn it on, let's see, is this thing even in focus? They're connected. And I'm making it colder and colder and colder, and then the arm moves closer, but that's off. That's all it is. I don't know if this thing should be working, right? The wiring is a mess. That stuff is all brittle, just crumbles. But I cannot take this plastic off. This stuff is impossible for me to get off. I've heated it up with a heat gun, and when I put in a spatula, it hits a piece of plastic in there, and I'm afraid to peel it back. So there's a wiring diagram that shows that it comes in here, comes down in there to the little door switch. Then I think it goes down below. But this was really handy, this little diagram. There's a harness I just separated from that. That was, this helped a lot.